Stop feeling stuck. Do this instead, right? Let's break free and transform your life today. Step 1. Define your vision. What do you truly want? Write it down. Be specific. Step 2. Set achievable goals. Break your vision into small, manageable steps. Celebrate each win, no matter how small. Step 3. Embrace change. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Take risks and learn from failures. Step 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment shapes your mindset. Find supportive people who uplift you. Step 5. Stay consistent. Progress is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep moving forward, even when it's tough. Remember, true freedom starts within. Empower yourself with these steps and watch your life transform. You've got this. Ready to take the leap? Your journey to freedom begins now.